Hey there, it's Bree here, and I am going to wash my hair today. And so I figured I would just show you guys so that every time I say, oh, like I wash my hair once a month with baking soda and I do an apple cider vinegar rinse, you would know what I mean. So I'm going to show you all the things that I do. So for me personally, I don't have very good sinks in my house or a bucket or anything, so I just fill up bath with bath water, honestly. So, and I try to get it pretty hot. Not like unbearably hot, but hot so that like the baking soda actually like melts in it. First up, we have baking soda. Bam, bam, bam. I'm gonna put a fair amount in there just because I'm in the bathtub and I want to make sure that I actually like get like a decent amount. I'll stir that in later. I have rosemary essential oil. Da, da, da. And we're gonna drop like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh shit, okay. Well, that's going back in there. Next, we have tea tree oil. There we go. Oh man, that stuff smells so strong. And last but not least, lavender oil. I probably should have had like a list of what all these things do, but I've just watched a lot of videos and these are the 3 that get mostly recommended for like either putting it, like mixing it with water and spraying it on your head daily, or putting it inside of like a wash or whatever, and so it'll make your hair smell nice. Okay, so this is me getting in water. I just stirred around the baking soda and got it to like melt a little bit, and I might need to add a little bit more water to this, but I'm going to get inside of this water for 30 minutes. Woo! That's hot water. Holy moly. That feels nice though. It's kind of chilly in here, especially in this swimsuit. Yeah, so I'm going to have my sister set a timer for 30 minutes, and I will show you what's happening when I'm done. I don't want to wait for it. Yeah, so I'm getting out now. It's been about 30 minutes. And this is, if you just get the water here, it's actually fairly clear, but there was definitely like some stuff in it. I don't know, like it's kind of grody, but I took a shower before this too, so like it was clean before I got in here. So I'm gonna rinse this out with cold water, and then I'm gonna do the apple cider vinegar thing. So you can stop that now. I'm now going to pour apple cider vinegar in my hair. It's gonna smell great. So I'm just doing it how I feel like I interpreted the way that Lazy Dreads did it in his video. So this is how I've been doing it, and it seems like it's been working. I literally just, I got a big bottle of this earlier today, and I just poured some of it into the little guy, but I am pouring this directly as is. Holy crap, that's cold. Directly on my hair. Oh, okay. Holy man, this just smells great. Okay, so now I'm gonna rinse this out and probably put some conditioner in my fringe, and I'll catch up with you for my drawing process. Okay, we are in my closet, which I spend a lot of time in. I realize that probably sounds weird. I'm not gonna explain that. But so far I just wring out my hair in the shower a bit, and I had the towel on and I just like took it off and flipped it around. So I'm gonna let it soak up some more stuff, and then I'm probably gonna blow dry it later, and then maybe try to go out on my deck and shake my hair out a bit too. But it's really cold outside, so I might not do that. So yeah, but this is pretty much what I do when I wash my hair, and I've been trying to do this every 3 to 4 weeks, and yeah, so now you know.